Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Marshmallow Car Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Marshmallow Car Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison service for car insurance policies. It aims to help users find the best and most affordable car insurance options by comparing quotes from various providers. Their website provides details on the process and participating insurers. Their website highlights ease of use and pricing transparency. They claim to compare quotes from a wide range of providers, allowing users to find the best deal based on their individual needs. There's no mention of specific technology, but the focus is clearly on simplifying the process of finding car insurance. Availability is nationwide, and you can check your options directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Marshmallow Car Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply entered my details, car information, driving history, and personal details, and within a few minutes, I had a list of potential insurance providers and their quotes. The interface was intuitive and easy to navigate. I particularly liked the way they presented the information, clear, concise summaries of each policy, highlighting key features like coverage and price. The speed was impressive, everything happened quickly without any glitches. I was really impressed by how clearly they displayed the differences between policies, making it simple to compare. I had a quick question about a specific policy's coverage, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. That was helpful. One minor drawback was the limited number of add-on options displayed. Some providers offer more specialized coverage not shown in the comparison. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Marshmallow. It saved me a significant amount of time and effort in finding a suitable and affordable car insurance policy. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and easy-to-understand comparison table. That's my overview of Marshmallow Car Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.